Did you know that a staggering 20% of small businesses fail within their first year? And by the end of the fifth year, that number skyrockets to 50%? It's a hard truth to swallow, but the landscape of entrepreneurship is littered with the ruins of businesses that didn't make it. However, this doesn't have to be your story. The type of business you choose can significantly influence your chances of success. It's not just about jumping on the hottest trend, it's about careful analysis and strategic decisions. This is where the concept of recency bias comes into play. It's a cognitive bias that makes us favor recent events over historical ones. So, if you've heard about a string of successful startups in a particular industry, you might be inclined to follow suit. But remember, not all that glitters is gold. But fear not, there are certain businesses with exceptional survival rates. Let's delve into those. Laundromats, believe it or not, enjoy an impressive success rate of 94.8%. Now you might be thinking, why laundromats? The answer lies in their simplicity and necessity. Everyone needs clean clothes, making this business a constant demand, regardless of the economic climate. So laundromats show resilience during economic downturns, a quality not many businesses can boast. But there's more. Laundromats can also serve as a source of passive income. Yes, you heard that right. After the initial setup and a bit of maintenance, laundromats can practically run themselves, allowing you to earn without actively managing the business day in, day out. So, if you're on the fence about what business to start, why not consider a laundromat? A business that's not just necessary but also resilient and potentially passive. For a detailed video guide on starting and running laundromats, check our video library. Andrew Carnegie once said that 90% of millionaires got their wealth by investing in real estate. Data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics substantiates this, as it indicates an impressive success rate of 85.3% for rental property businesses. The reasons for this success are manifold. Firstly, real estate provides tangible assets that hold intrinsic value. Secondly, real estate markets are efficient and have proven to be reliable over time. Thirdly, rental properties promise a regular cash flow, providing a steady income stream for investors. Additionally, there are significant tax benefits to be reaped from real estate investments, and the opportunity to leverage your investment to increase potential returns. And if the idea of becoming a landlord seems daunting, consider the possibility of hiring a property manager to handle the day-to-day operations, turning your investment into a source of passive income. Real estate has proven to be a solid investment over time. Self-storage facilities have seen a rise in popularity since 2008, with a success rate of around 92%. This is an industry that has been growing steadily, and it's not hard to see why. Self-storage is a business model that provides a necessary service, especially in urban areas where space is at a premium. Now you might be wondering, what's the secret sauce behind such a high success rate? Part of the answer lies in the technological advancements that have revolutionized this business. Innovations in automation and remote management systems have made it possible for owners to run their facilities from anywhere in the world, reducing overhead costs and increasing efficiency. This doesn't just make life easier for business owners, it also improves the customer experience, with 24/7 access and streamlined operations. And let's not forget the success stories. Entrepreneurs who started from scratch and built profitable self-storage empires. They are testament to the potential of this industry. Innovations in technology have made managing a self-storage facility easier than ever before. Last-mile delivery, a sector booming due to e-commerce, has a success rate of 76.4%. It's no secret that the transportation industry is vast and varied, with opportunities ranging from small-scale local deliveries to long-haul trucking across countries. Now let's take a look at a real-life example. Consider the story of Swift Transportation, a company that started with a single truck and today operates over 20,000 tractors and 40,000 trailers. Swift's success story is a testament to the power of strategic planning and efficient operations in the transportation industry. The company started small, but with a clear vision and a commitment to service, it grew into one of the largest freight carriers in North America. So, whether you're interested in starting a courier service, a logistics company, or a long-haul trucking business, remember, the future of transportation businesses is bright, with opportunities for growth and expansion. Vending machine businesses, with their low entry barrier and scalability, show a success rate of up to 90%. This might be surprising to some, but let's delve into why this is the case. The beauty of vending machine businesses lies in their simplicity. There's no need for a large staff, extensive inventory management, or even a physical storefront. The operational strategies are straightforward. You find a high-traffic location, stock your machine with high-demand items, and let it do its job. The scalability is also impressive. You can start with a single machine, and as profits roll in, gradually increase your vending fleet. There are many success stories out there. Take, for instance, the college student who started with one vending machine in his dormitory and now owns a network of machines across the city. Or the retired couple who turned a handful of vending machines into a profitable side business. With a small initial investment, vending machine businesses can yield big returns. Senior care centers have a surprisingly low failure rate. This is largely due to two key factors. Firstly, government subsidies often provide financial support for these centers, offsetting costs and ensuring stability. Secondly, demographic trends favor this industry. The world's population is aging, and as the baby boomer generation reaches old age, the demand for senior care services is set to skyrocket. For those considering entering this industry, there are beginner-friendly approaches you can take. Start small, perhaps by offering home-based care or partnering with a local hospital or care facility. As your experience and resources grow, so too can your operations. What's more, this industry isn't just about profit. It's also about providing a vital service to our communities, ensuring our elders receive the care and respect they deserve. So you're not only building a business, but also making a difference. With the aging population, the demand for senior care centers is set to increase. Choosing a business with a low failure rate can significantly increase your chances of success. We've shared a list of 6 businesses that, backed by data, have shown to be resilient and profitable. From laundromats with a success rate of nearly 95% to rental property businesses, self-storage facilities, transportation businesses, vending machine businesses, and senior care centers, each of these sectors offers unique opportunities and advantages. But remember, while data can guide you, it's also essential to align your business choice with your personal interests and strengths. Now, armed with this knowledge, you're better equipped to make a wise choice. And to help you further, we've created a comprehensive startup planner that you can find in the description below. This planner can serve as your roadmap, helping you navigate the exciting journey of entrepreneurship. Remember, the comprehensive startup planner in the description can help you turn your business idea into a success story. Subscribe for more insightful content on entrepreneurship and business success.